Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So today on a different level, I want to explain to you 5 steps to become a successful content creator. Yes, you want to become a content creator and you are looking out for what can I do? How will I be successful in this content creation journey? So today, I want to explain to you step by step or what you can do in order to become a successful content creator. Being a content creator is not a day's job. Yes, it's not something that you start today, tomorrow you are already successful and you have started cashing out. No. If someone tells you like that, then I tell you the person is not telling you the reality. It involves a lot of hard work. It involves a lot of persistency. It involves a lot of consistency. It involves a lot of price payments. Yes, you have to give in order to receive from any platform you are building, including this platform we are into. Now, to become a successful content creator, we are looking at 5 steps to take. Number 1 steps, ask yourself this question: why content creation? Why content creation? Why do I want to venture into content creation? Am I really that type that would like to come in public to speak? That is, am I capable of facing my camera to talk? Am I shy that I don't want to show my face? Am I shy that I don't want people to know me? Can I really come out to talk? Ask yourself these questions. Do I have the qualities of a content creator? Now, this first question is going to help you a lot, because if you are really in need of it and you really want to become a successful content creator, if you start by this question, you'll be able to identify ways or your challenges of becoming a content creator. Then you'll be able to start tending to it one after the other in order to overcome that challenge. Now, when you must have asked yourself this question and you say, yes, I can do it, I can come out to talk, or instead I will make a faceless video, but I have the agility, I have what it takes to become a successful content creator, because that your confidence is being needed to make this journey successful for you. You need that confidence as a person. So when you must have answered this question, then you now go to the second stage, which is what type of content creation? Yes, what type of content creator? What niche? What type of video do I want to be creating? Do I really want a faceless YouTube channel? Do I want to face camera and talk? If I want to face camera and talk, what type of thing do I want to talk about? Is it tutorials to educate people on the growth, YouTube growth and all that? What aspect of the growth do I want to talk about? These and many more are what you are going to talk about. That's what you are going to deliberate on. Then when you finally say, okay, I want to be doing tutorial video, fine and good. Then one question you are going to use to answer this question effectively is, what do I love most? What do I love doing most? That one thing that someone will call you and ask you, please, can you tell me how to do this? Can you tell me how to fix this type of hair? Can you tell me how to apply makeup? Can you tell me how to grow on Facebook? Can you tell me this? Can you tell me that? That thing that you know how to do best, that thing you have passion for, that should be your niche. Because is that your passion that will keep you moving? Is that your passion that will keep you moving even when it's because you start having challenges? So when you find out what you have passion for, that thing that you know how to do best, then you can go ahead and start creating content around it. For instance, I'm a social media manager. So I create content around social media management, growth and content creation tips, because I know these are things I love doing, and because of that I can create content easily around it. Then find out what you love doing, start creating content around it. Then When you are done with that, e now move us to the third stage, which is start making your research. Yes, at this stage you have to start making research in that platform that you want to enter. This platform now that we are in, look inside the platform and check people in your niche, what they are doing, the type of content they create, what they are really doing and how they do it. You start making your research. Look at a trending topic in that your niche. When you look at that trending topic in your niche, then you write them down, script them, look at how they said it, how did they say it, you list their points, then go and develop it, then you start practicing. That takes us the first stage, which is what? Start filming. Yes, there is no perfect time to start. The time is whenever you start, because until you start you don't even know whether you can be good on it. You just have to start. Forget it. Your English might not be clear, your camera might not be clear, you might have other challenges, but yeah, just start. Until you start, you're not going to find out what you need to handle at the course of your content creation journey. Just start. When you start, then you start trying to edit yourself, edit your videos, learn one or two other things to top up your video. Then that will take us to the last and the final one, which is practice, practice, practice. Yes, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing, keep making research, keep updating yourself, in that niche you find yourself. Just keep doing the rightful and forget it. Before you know what is happening, you have already created a balance in that your niche, and your video will keep moving. It will keep moving. So don't say that you cannot start because you don't have equipment yet, you don't have a nice phone yet, you don't have this, you don't have that. No, just start with what you have. And I tell you, at the cost of you moving, you are going to get other things that you think that you need. And starting with what you have is going to make you to understand what you actually need, so that you get those things that you actually need, not just things like that. Hope this helps. If you are finding value in this video, please like, comment and share, that others will also like. Don't forget to subscribe to this video for more successful content creation tips. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.